Hey guys, it's Lisa here for the Daily Live, and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here and you happen to like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell right next to it so that YouTube can notify you every time I upload a video. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you my easy way of making carne guisada. This is a family favorite. The family loves this recipe when I make it, so I know they're going to enjoy tonight's dinner. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be needing. Here I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, 2 tablespoons of flour. Here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then here is a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of chili powder, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Here we have 2 cups of water. We have 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Here is about a little over 2 pounds of beef stew meat. This is the meat I buy. This is called the lean beef boneless stew meat. And the only reason why I buy it is because it's already cut up for me. And then of course, like bigger pieces, I'll just cut them up just a little bit smaller. But if you can't find this, it's okay. You can buy beef chuck roast and then just cut it up yourself. And then here I have 1 red bell pepper, and then this is 1 small onion. Well, about half of a small onion. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to grab kind of like a medium, like it's kind of a deep saucepan like this. So you want to turn on your stove to about medium heat, like between medium and medium high heat. You get that pan hot. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, just like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add your meat to this. Just like that. Give it a stir. So you see how some of them are in big pieces like that? That'll be fine because in this type of dish you want big pieces but not too big of a piece. See, like this is fine. So you want the meat to brown completely. So the object is to fry the meat. That's what you're trying to do here. This usually takes a little bit, but I'll go ahead and time it for you guys so you guys can have an idea. The meat is still browning, so you see how it's starting to cook. All the pieces are cooking, and it's starting to let out like this liquid, like the water or something like that. Look, you see it back here? So you need to let it cook to this point, giving it a stir. And I'm still timing it for you, but I'm just showing you the process of how it should be looking. Now from this point on, what's going to start happening is that it's going to start frying, and you're going to hear it frying, but I'll show you how it looks. And you see how the meat is kind of shrinking in size? You see that? You want to keep letting it go. And the purpose of what we're doing here is we want that water to evaporate. So this is where it's going to start frying. But I'm still timing it, that way you have an idea of how long this process takes. Right, so there it goes. Alright, so this has been cooking for about 25 minutes, and that's from the beginning all the way to the frying stage. So there's still a little bit of liquid in here. Look, let me show you. You see it a little bit in there? I don't know if you can tell. This is where you move quickly. This is where you're going to grab your 2 tablespoons of flour. And you're going to dust it over the meat, and you're going to cook that flour down. And what the flour is going to do is it's what's going to give you that gravy at the end. And you need a little bit of those juices in the meat to help you brown it. And then the flour soaks up the leftover of the juice in there. You're going to cook off the flour till it's completely gone. So you see how it, I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it makes the meat look thick. After you've cooked off the flour, just like this. Now, after you've added the flour and you've cooked it off in the meat, this is where you're going to start to add your water. Give it a little stir. Just like that. Okay, and then you're going to add the tomato sauce. Give it a stir. Okay, and you're going to add all your seasonings all at one time. Oh my, that's so good. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. Oh wow, that's really good. Okay, and then this is where you're gonna add all your veggies. So I'm gonna add all that in there as well, so you can cook all together. You can add green bell pepper if you like, but I don't know, I like the red with my carne guisada. So you're just gonna mix it all in there. You're gonna wanna let it get to a boil, okay? Just like that, you see that? So you wanna let it get to a boil. So it's coming to a boil, just like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reduce the heat to simmer. You're gonna put a lid on it, and you're gonna leave it like that. And then I'll show you how it is at the end. So here it is. Here is the carne guisada. I hope you were able to enjoy the quality of the video. I just realized that it was on toy setting. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.